All right, welcome back. In this series, we're going to delve deeper into the machine, and we're going to talk about machine architecture and assembly language, and then we're going to build our own little virtual machine based on, or kind of loosely based on, I'll say, the ARM architecture. ARM processors are extremely popular today. They're used in the Internet of Things. They're used all over the place. They're used in your phone. The Raspberry Pi is an ARM processor, and I hope to eventually, once we get further along in this course, maybe we'll take a look at the Raspberry Pi and control some stuff. So thanks for watching this course. I hope you enjoy it. We'll see how far we can get with it and what kinds of interesting things we can do. We're going to begin with a little bit of ARM assembly language so that we understand the ARM architecture and how assembly language works and what assembly language can do. And then we're going to start in on building our own little virtual machine similar to the ARM, with similar operation codes and so forth, and see what we can make it do. I'm going to probably do that code partially offline and copy paste it in. It is a bit tedious, but we'll work through it, and I'm sure you'll learn a great deal from it. So thanks for watching. I hope you enjoy the series, and I will see you in the first video. Thanks for watching.